Do you ever feel that you might actually have traits that are rarely found elsewhere and that you aren't ordinary? Well, that may be true. Often guys will have all these exceptional traits and qualities in themselves, but not even realize it. They will, consciously or subconsciously, ignore these qualities and question the obvious. Am I special? The answer to that question is, of course you are. Everyone has unique qualities that make them special, and you are a high-value man. By the end of this video, we will prove that you were born a sage if you have all these qualities within you. So, pay close attention because the truth is about to spill. Number 8. You control your emotions. Ever noticed that guys who can control their tempers and emotions are considered very respectable? You may have noticed that you might have been getting the same treatment, as you can also keep your emotions in check. And this is something you might not have realized, because you have been doing it since the beginning, and it has been ingrained into your system. Because it is an old part of your personality, you don't consider it something special, when in fact, it is unique. Try noticing different situations in which you control your emotions. For example, when on the road, you see a driver committing an obvious mistake that could cause you harm. So instead of shouting at him as most people do, you remain calm and, if possible, try to make him understand his mistake politely and respectfully. If you notice this in your personality, you are a high-value man. Number 7. You make your own decisions. Review your past and try to answer this question. Have you ever let other people make decisions for you? If the answer to this question is no, then you have an exceptional quality within yourself. It doesn't matter how this quality develops within you. The important thing is that it is something unique that is not found among other people. Most other guys are weak-willed, and they let those difficult circumstances control them and their decision-making abilities. If you are a person who is not very easily influenced by other people and instead makes sound judgments, then you were a high-value man all along and never even realized it. Please think of this trait as something already present in you in raw form, but now that you have discovered it, you have refined it and can use it in your daily life. All those alphas out there have this quality, and if you have this quality within you, you belong to that group. You were always a part of it. Number 6. You uphold high moral standards. When a man follows principles such as compassion, courage, empathy, honesty, and humility, he is already different from those around him. If you feel like you are a person who is kind in the soul and genuinely wants to help the people around you, then you have a trait that is very commonly seen in high-value men. Going up against something that can cause you harm is always something that requires courage and bravery. If you are willing to take a risk for the greater good, you have a trait found in high-value men, and you must consider yourself unique because of it. All of those people who consider themselves alphas have this exact trait within them. If you notice that you are willing to take risks, whether physical, emotional, or financial, you're a powerful male. Number 5. You struggle to improve. Being able to do simple tasks consistently and regularly can be challenging. Even though initially those things might look very easy to do, committing to them over a regular period of time is something that most people need help with. If you notice that you commit to different things and do them regularly, you have a trait that is present in high-value men. High-value men always want to improve themselves by learning different books, enhancing their knowledge, or going to the gym weekly to become healthier. If you consider yourself a man constantly trying to become a better version of himself by repeatedly doing things, then you are a quality male, not just an ordinary guy walking down the street. Number 4. You can find happiness anywhere. If you notice the most influential men around you, you'll notice that their general personalities don't hint at depression and anxiety. They always have cheerful characters, and when they are in a crowd, they interact with everyone in a friendly manner without any social awkwardness. If you are a person who can find happiness in people, then you can find happiness anywhere. It might have been a trait present in you all along, but you never considered it something special and unique. However, it is only found among alphas and is an exceptionally rare trait. So if you can find happiness wherever you are in little things that may not seem very important to others but hold great value, then you have been high value all along. Number 3. You manage your finances. We will reveal some things to you that will make you realize that you were an extraordinary man from the beginning. It is a trait you may not find exquisite, but it isn't easy. Very few people can manage their finances. Most poor men either overspend or become extremely stingy with their money. It's hard to find people with good self-control and balance in these things, no matter how rich they are. So, if you can manage your finances and make suitable investments, then you have a special trait. Having the self-control to go grocery shopping and stop yourself from getting things that aren't on your list is truly remarkable. It gives you a good amount of savings and different opportunities to invest in your future. Number 2, you don't blame others. When you notice people who are present in positions of high power, you will find in them a character that is rare amongst others. While most other people look for the words you, him, her, or they in challenging situations, high-value men look for terms such as me, we, I, or us. It explains that they are not looking for a person to blame, but are ready to rise on that occasion and accept their responsibilities. They will never try to escape a difficult spot in their lives. It is a trait that is a rare commodity among the current generation. If you find yourself to be someone who accepts his mistakes when a moment of crisis falls, then you are a person who is special amongst others. This trait is only found among highly valued men, and it is not something you can learn very quickly because most people are born with it. It was always present in you but only came to your attention just now, and if you have realized it in the truest sense, then you should no longer doubt that you are a high-value man. Number 1, you are not a nice guy. Often people think that high-value men are nice guys, but the truth is, in this world, being nice gets you nowhere. All those nice guys are considered weak, even though in their mindsets, they think themselves to be high value. The truth is that when you are pleasant to everyone and are not assertive in your agenda, you will get left behind and, as a result, dwell only in your rage and sadness. These emotions are toxic to a man's growth and inhibit him from realizing his potential. So if you are a person who will kill that nice guy persona within yourself and go beyond your limits to explore different avenues to reach your true potential, you are a powerful male. If you think that you must let your actions speak louder than your words, and you believe that you have faced the dark side of your subconscious and have come out victorious, then you are highly valued. Life is a never-ending race, and if you grasp the first opportunity, you don't wait for the slow people around you. Because, as you know, it's crucial to leave somewhere to get somewhere. If all of these things resonate with your thinking, you should consider it a sign of being a high-value man, even though you may have just realized it now. Conclusion. Everyone is unique in their own sense. It's the ability to learn about those individual traits that make you special in your own eyes. Try to explore yourself. You have everything that qualifies you as a high-value man. It's about having a new perspective. Living day in and day out will make anyone rusty, thus making you forget the special powers that lie dormant within you. Refocus yourself and believe that you have the energy that needs to be channeled. All you have to do is look within yourself. If you understand how this world works, then you are already a man who is above the majority. Taking up the mantle when the moment is the darkest is a noble trait you may already have. Besides these, there are a million other things within you that are untapped. Open those boxes and unleash your superpowers. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.